if you're experiencing issues connecting to League of Legends multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance activities. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and then restart it. This can help resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be affecting your ability to connect to multiplayer. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection with other online services or by restarting your router. A stable connection is essential for multiplayer gaming. Step 4. Disable firewall and antivirus. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block League of Legends from connecting to the internet. Temporarily disable these programs to see if they are causing the issue. If this resolves the problem, consider adding League of Legends to the exception list. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can fix any corrupted files or installation issues that may be preventing you from connecting to multiplayer. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve your connection issues in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.